What's going on, my Renaissance people? We are going fishing today. We're up in Tallahassee, Florida right now, and we're headed to Lake Bradford. And Lake Bradford is a nice little secluded lake in North Florida. It's not the biggest lake in North Florida, but it's definitely a high production fish atmosphere. So we're gonna head out here, and we're doing mostly crappie fishing today, little crappie fishing, and we might catch occasional bass or something like that. But yeah, let's do it. Alright people, so we have made it to the lake. All I'm really going to do is I'm trolling jigs behind me. And I'll probably throw my bass rod a little bit just to pass the time. But as of now, we just got a little small jig like this right here, curly tail. And we're just throwing it a few feet behind us. If I can get this rod to activate. This piece of rods. Just throw it behind you, maybe 20 feet. Just set it up. I don't have any rod holders, so I'm just gonna set it up there. I have another one on this pole right here, just to kind of mix things up, keep the fish guessing. And we just control at a real slow pace. We're gonna go all the way around this bend here. You got one. I don't know what it is. What we got? Oh, this is a big bluegill. Ooh. Yeah. Not a big one, but he's a nice size. He's a keeper, I'll tell you that. If y'all gonna go fishing, I suggest y'all get some of these. These will save you from getting all that grimy slime on your hands. We're gonna take him and throw him in the ice slurry. It's gonna drop his core temperature down and keep him from going bad. Because fish, they rot from the inside out, so you wanna really avoid that by any means. But yeah, that's our first fish, a bluegill. Bass. He f***ing nailed that shit coming from that bush over there. Oh, little guy. Another one. What we got? Oh, this is a nice speck. Oh, almost lost him. Look at that. Look how we barely caught him. See him right there? Barely in the corner of the lip. Yeah, that's what I was looking for right here. Took long enough. Hopefully we can get on a little roll right now. I've been dying to catch these. These are the greatest, probably top 2 eating fish ever. Maybe, actually, okay, in freshwater, top 1. This is probably the best freshwater fish, eating fish, in my opinion. So yeah, he goes definitely in the slurry with his friends. What we got here? Hold on. Okay, we got one speck here, right here. Oh, we are. I missed the bass. I had a bass. Oh, no, I didn't. He's still on. Nice one too. He's still on. Oh my God, the craziest thing just happened. I literally just caught 2 fish on 2 different lures. Oh, okay, let me turn around, because this was so freaking crazy. Oh my God, I literally had 2 fish. Let me turn the trolling around. I was trolling my jig pole behind me. I'm throwing for bass at the same time, so I throw in this little gap over here, and I get 1 bass. He nails it. Then, wow. Okay, let me show y'all this speck. Where's my tongs at? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, calm down. There's the crappie right there that I caught. That was the most insane thing that's happened in a while on this lake right here. I've only been out here maybe 3 times, but whew, that was epic. Don't ever scare me like that again. You too, mother. Oh, I appreciate you. This guy has like a 2-pound head and a 1-pound body. He swallowed it too. Oh my God, he's not gonna make it. But I have the perfect alternative for him. If he can't feed himself, he's gonna have to feed me. Crazy. Right here. So here's the bass right here. This is probably my 4th one. You can only keep 5 out here. You can only keep 5, and only one can be over 16 inches, which is pretty stupid if you ask me. It used to be different, like they recently just changed that law probably about 2 years ago. So you used to be able to catch 5 at whatever size you wanted, but now you can catch any size under 16. You can catch 5 under 16 if you want to, or over, or you can't catch. You can only catch 1 over 16 inches. So here's what it is. With these right here, they'll eat just fine. Okay, so my GoPro, not my GoPro, but my Canon M50 died, so I'm gonna try to keep y'all on track as much as possible with what's left of this GoPro. But I'm still out here catching the crappie. There. They kind of just moved to the middle a little bit on me in the open water, so I'm really just trolling the open water, hoping to come up on some more of these bad boys right here, and then we'll see how many we catch. Oh, this one kind of small. Oh damn, he's very small. Look at this. It's the smallest one I caught all day. We're gonna let him go back, but I'm still not touching him because I'm not touching him. Y'all, I thought the last one was small, but look at this. This is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, that just shows you how aggressive these fish are. This lure is probably almost a third of his size, and he's eating it. Like, come on, dude, what is your problem? Get out of here. I'm hung too, Rick. Alright, people, we got a nice speck on right now, and I'm hoping he does not get off. I'm trying to keep him as low to the ground as possible because he is probably my biggest of the day. If I can find my tools, I might be able to save him. Oh Lord, look at this. Yeah, that's a great size crappie right there. That one will probably eat the one I just caught before him. So yeah, that's a nice fish right there. And these fish are kind of scattered, really. They're not hitting as fast as I would expect. And they run in schools, so it's kind of been mind-boggling that I'm catching them all in different spots of this lake. But yeah, nice fish. See how many inches we got. Oh, it's a nice about 12 and a half inches. It's pretty good. Oh, okay. Another nice one. Oh. We'll take ya. Now the limit on these out here is 25 per person. But I don't know if I'm gonna catch 25 today, but number 5 right here. That's my 5th bass. All right, my Renaissance people, so we gonna call it a day. It has gotten sweltering out here. It's probably 95 degrees, something like that. That's the thing about Florida weather. You cannot really put a name on it. It was raining like yesterday, and now it's perfectly sunny, no clouds, probably maybe 2 clouds, 3 clouds. All right, and yeah, it is very hot, so I'm calling it a day. It's probably about 11:30 right now. But we did all right. We caught a nice mess of fish, and they're all in there floating up. They're not in the best condition right now. That ice water has them shocked. So yeah, we're gonna head to the house, and I would do a catch, clean, and cook on these, but I have to give them to my friend for a graduation party. So next time we come out here or any other lake, we're going to do a catch, clean, and cook for y'all, so y'all can actually see the process of me cleaning the fish and cooking it up in a delicious manner, just like the Renaissance people do. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. Comment, tell me some things that you like about this video and you didn't like. I am open to any type of criticism. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching, and until then, y'all keep on learning, and I'm out.